Hi everyone, this is Inem back with another awesome feature to help you create better digital ads. In today's video, I'm excited to show you how to generate visually stunning HTML5 ads using PPC ad editor. This feature lets you preview exactly how your ads will look in real time, both on desktop and mobile before launching your campaign. Plus, it's a great way to share polished previews with your clients. First, start by choosing Google as the ad channel. This will ensure that your ads are set up for display across Google's network, including YouTube, Gmail, and more. Next, select HTML5 as the ad format. HTML5 ads are highly interactive and allow you to create engaging visuals that stand out. This is perfect for showcasing your creativity and grabbing your audience's attention. Now for the magic, set your data source as upload HTML5 zip file and continue. Wait for a few seconds. Click Choose Files to add the HTML zip archives containing the HTML5 ads. What's great about this feature is that you can upload multiple ads at once, saving you tons of time. Just click Load, and within seconds, you'll have all your HTML5 ads ready to preview. Once your ads are loaded, you can see exactly how they'll look on different platforms, including desktop, mobile, and tablet. After reviewing, you can save all the changes and finalize your ads. You can also get feedback through commenting on the generated ads from your client. When you're happy with how everything looks, just share the direct preview link with your clients. They'll be able to view the ads in real time, which makes collaboration smooth and efficient. And when everything looks perfect, you're ready to launch your campaign. That's it. It's that easy to create and preview beautiful HTML5 ads with PPC Ad Editor. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more awesome features like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.